Today we're gonna show you 5 of the easiest things to cook in your Instant Pot. So my name is Kristen.
And I'm Kendra.
And we are 2 of the sisters from Six Sisters Staff. So today we're gonna show you 5 of the easiest things to cook in your Instant Pot because, I mean, people are getting Instant Pots for Christmas. And
I'm even a beginner myself.
I'm so proud.
I'm here with the master herself, and she's gonna teach me how to do this.
We're learning the basics. So if you just got an Instant Pot, you're gonna wanna watch this video. All right, should we get started?
Let's get started.
Okay, first recipe, we are making Instant Pot rice.
And at first I was a little bit skeptical of this. Before I add this, I'll tell you why, because I was like, I'm all about the easy minute microwave rice. And then I tried the Instant Pot rice and my life was changed. And now we have rice about every other night because it's so easy, so fast, and it's way better than any microwave rice, so.
Amen.
Okay, so we have a cup of rice and then 1 1/4 cup of water. I'll give a little stir.
Nice. Now I get a lot of comments that lots of people like to rinse their rice beforehand.
Yes.
It doesn't matter if you rinse it or if you don't. It will still work wonderfully either way, so.
Okay, that's it.
Good to go.
I'll let you push the buttons because I still get scared.
I can push buttons. Okay, so we're gonna put the lid on. And we're gonna turn the knob to sealing. Sealing, not venting. No. Okay, then you're gonna push, depends on your Instant Pot, you're gonna push the manual button or the pressure cook button. And then because this is white rice, it only cooks for 7 minutes. So we set the timer for 7 minutes, then you're gonna wait a few seconds and it's gonna beep, and then it's gonna say, wait for it, on. If it says on, that means you did everything right, so you can just walk away. So we're gonna let this cook here, then we're gonna go over here and show you how to cook Instant Pot eggs. Now I love making hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot. It's one of my most favorite things to cook. So,
Okay.
you are
So,
up.
this is just easy too.
I know.
It's eggs and water. It doesn't get any easier. So we have 3 eggs and then, what did you say about
a cup of water. So now we're just using 3 eggs, but you can do up to like 18 eggs with just a cup of water, and you'll still cook it for the same amount of time.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
I'm gonna put your lid on, and I'm gonna show you how to do it.
Okay, I'm nervous.
You got this.
Ah. Is it on?
No, not yet.
Oh.
Here we go. So make sure it's all the way over here.
Oh.
It's singing at you. There you go. Okay, now turn it off.
I did.
Now, turn it so it's on. Oh, all right, there you go.
On.
Good. So you turned it so it's on,
Okay.
and then first you check your knob.
Knob.
So
It's
knob
sealing.
is gonna be sealing, not
Venting.
very good. And then we're gonna go to the buttons. So this one has a pressure cook button, so that's the one you're gonna push.
Pressure cook.
Good. And then we want to go to 5 minutes. So I love to do the 5-5-5 method, and I'll show you what we're going to do there.
Okay.
So go down. So push the negative button. Does that make sense?
Yes.
And we're going down to 5 minutes.
Okay.
So you can push it lots of times, or you can even hold it,
Oh.
and it will. No, I didn't know that until. Good. Okay. So you set it.
Set it.
Good. Now we're going to just wait a few seconds and
And
wait.
it's going to stay on. And then we're done.
You're right. Let's see. There we go.
Boom.
On.
Thanks.
So, rice is done.
Yes.
So, the L appeared, so that means it's been done for about 13 minutes. We got busy. We got chatting. So we're gonna turn it to venting, and there's no steam left, so we're good to go. We can just open it up. Oh my, can you see this?
Perfectly fluffy rice.
Okay, so this rice is perfect. I love it because it's like the yummy sticky rice that your mom used to make.
The good stuff.
The good stuff. And it turns out so perfect. It's not too hard, there's no hard chunks, and then it's not too soggy like some of the rice that you can make in your rice cooker.
Now, how much more rice can you make? Because we just did a cup. But
we did a cup. You can do all the way up to, I would say about 6 to 8 cups is your limit.
Okay.
Because you don't want it to get too full. You want to watch out for the max line on your pot. So, but whatever you do, the cooking time will be the same. So even if it's 6 cups of rice, it's still going to be 7 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Awesome.
Okay, moving on to recipe
Our
number 2.
eggs.
Okay, so now that our eggs are at 5 minutes, so we cooked them for 5 minutes, we let them do a natural release for 5 minutes, meaning we just kind of let it sit there and let the timer go up for 5 minutes. And now we're going to vent the rest of it. Oh, it's good to go. And we'll pull the lid off. So the other 5, so we're gonna take these eggs and put them in an ice bath for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Ready?
5, 5, 5.
Okay.
This is so nice.
Now, and you put them in the ice bath because it will make them just peel so easily. I'm excited. All right, wait for 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes.
Yep.
And now we're just gonna pull them right out. You wanna crack that one? You show them how easy
Sure.
it is to crack?
I roll mine.
Do you?
Do you ever roll yours?
I never thought of rolling. I just like tap, tap, and I'm good. I'll put 'em on
Check
this side.
those out.
I know, it literally just peels right off, huh?
Okay.
You good?
So just to show you the inside. Perfection.
Perfect. I love it. Awesome. Oh, eggs are literally one of my most favorite things.
I'm gonna do this for Easter eggs.
Or I like to do a dozen, like, and just eat them throughout the week.
Yeah, I know. Perfect healthy snack.
Yes.